Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
And hello, everyone. My name is Adrian.
And this is Haruto.
And we are here to bring you the 5th video in our Breaking the Ice series, where we tell you all about LiNK from the very beginning to the very end. Today, we are here in our showroom to introduce a super simple system that focuses on job progress tracking.
There's 3 main features in this workflow. First, I will import the job information into the LiNK in CSV format. The second, we include the job memory number for the changeover on the job ticket. When the production management department issue a job ticket, they simply need to include the job memory number. This reduces the operator's workload and cut down the setup time for the machine setting. So you don't need to change your existing work procedure. The operator must scan the barcode, but otherwise, they can work as before. Finally, we perform the changeover using the job memory. Operators don't need to set up the system from scratch every single time. They just need to call the set data from the memory and add some fine adjustment.
The key here is to match the job details with the memory numbers. I think it's time to get into the demo. What do you think?
Yes, of course.
All right, let's go do the demo.
Today, I will use the BQ300 for the binding process and HD300 for trimming process. Now let's check the job registered. They're empty, right? Then now I will register the job information. This is the job using today. Let's take a look. As you can see, this job information written in comma separated values. This includes the job information such as job ID, job name, or the date, due date, and so on. And now I put this job information file into the LiNK folder. In ideal, this job information automatically sent to the LiNK, but this is a demo, so I do manually. Let's check the LiNK screen. Alright, now the job named Breaking the Ice registered for the BQ300 and HD300. This job status now it's preparing. Alright, now let's start the binding process. First, I should scan the barcode on the job ticket. Once you scan the barcode, the pop-up will appear, and press OK. And next, we should do the changeover. I mentioned earlier, this time we include the job memory number on the job ticket, so we can follow this number 101. 101. So call the job from memory and do the changeover. Okay, now changeover has been done, so let's start binding. Okay, now I finished the binding 3 books and looks really good. So now I need to report the progress for the LiNK. Press the LiNK icon here. Then you can input the number. The job progress that we made 3 books and number of rows. We don't make any waste. And If you have operator ID, you can input them. And click submit. That's it. So now let's check it out. On the iCE screen, job progress should be updated. Checking the iCE the screen, the job is disappeared from the pending tab. It's moved to the completed job tab. Alright, you can see the job and status is done. Also, you can check the task board. The binding process item turned to blue. This means this process has been done. But we have another item for the trimming. So let's start the trimming process with HT300. Please note that BQ300 has a 5th generation touch panel, but the HT300 has a 4th generation touch panel. But the operation procedure is completely the same. First, we need to scan the barcode on the job ticket and pop-up should appear on the display. So click the OK, and now we should do changeover. This time job ticket said the memory number 001 is the proper, so let's call the job number 1 and take a changeover. Alright, it's finished. So now put 3 book into the machine, but this time I intentionally make a waste. So flip the one of the book Alright, now I complete the 3 books. But the 2 of them are very clean finishing, but one of them it's wrong cut. We should update this record. Press the iCE icon. It has the button, and input the number. We made 3 books, and one of them are waste. And input the operation ID and submit. That's it. Right, let's check the iCE. As you can see, the trimming process remaining on pending tab, because I made a mistake for the trimming the book, one of them. So the progress says we complete just 2 books. We need 1 book for completing this job. Now I'm back on Trimmer to make 1 more book to complete the job. Now I made a beautiful book, so let's complete the job. I made an additional 1 book and operator's ID and submit. Well, let's back to the iCE screen. Now you can check the process for the trimming. Move to the pending tab to completed tab. The job status done. Also, you can see at the task board both the binding process and trimming process turn to blue. This means the whole process has been finished. Now my job is finished completely, so I can go home.
That will conclude our 5th episode of our Breaking the iCE series. If you have any questions about iCE LiNK or the solutions that you saw in this video, please watch our other Breaking the Ice videos that came before this, linked below. Contact your local representative or visit our website for more information. And until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and finish first with Horizon. Bye.
Bye.